Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I am filming this at about 9 o'clock at night, so the lighting is not the best right now. But I wanted to get this done tonight so that I can have this video go up in the morning. I think from now on I'm gonna have the new release videos go up at like 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then these will have already been put up onto the website, so you guys can head straight over there. So if you're watching this, these are already on the website, and as you can see, we have started on Christmas kits. So I wanted to start off with 2 photo kits. So we got 2 new collections this week, Deluxe, Mini, B6, and Micro, and then I've got glitter headers for both. I don't have them sitting here, but they will be up on the website. One of these is a reformat, and then the other one is a totally new collection. So I'm gonna get started with the new collection first. So this one is called Gold Christmas. So here are your full boxes. Again, I'm really sorry for the lighting. I know that it is not good right now. I should have done this earlier. So yeah, photo kit, I am obsessed. I really love photo kits for winter and Christmas. If you guys couldn't tell, I feel like I always do a lot of them. So for this one, we did the falling snow pattern, which is actually on both of these. That's one of my favorite like minimal foilings to do for Christmas and winter kits. So that is your full box sheet, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you your bottom washi sheet with it. It's lighting. So you've got the string lights going across the bottom washi, which it's so difficult to see. I'm sorry about the lighting, you guys. But anyway, so I am obsessed with how this turned out. I really love the colors. It's a very neutral palette, which I really, really love. But it's also still super Christmassy, and because of the gold against like the greens and the beiges and the browns, I think it just turned out really beautiful. So that is your first and your second sheet for Deluxe. Next sheet, you've got your 3-bow checklist, you've got your date numbers, your icons, your scripts, and then you have got this sheet, which is in every single one of the kits. So you've got your flags, appointment labels, well, can't talk, labels, your quarter boxes, eighth boxes, and half boxes. Next sheet, you have got your little things, you've got your cut washi, your glitter headers, and then you've got your bow checklist, your daily trackers, your flags, 1 of the 3-bow checklist and 2 of the 2-bow checklist, and all of that is the deluxe version of the kit. So we've also got Mini, which is our current most popular version. It's also the version that I've been using lately. So you've got the exact same full boxes. I really wish, let me mess with the, no, that didn't help. Anyway, so you've got your same full boxes. Your next sheet, you've got your date numbers, your flags, your icons, you've got your bow checklist, 2 of the 3-bow checklist and 1 of the 2-bow checklist. Next is that same sheet that is in all of the kits. So you've got your flags, you've got your appointment labels, your half boxes, quarter boxes. Next is your little things. You've got your cut washi, your scalloped headers, and then your various headers. And then your last sheet has got that same bottom washi. You also do have your washi strips that have the bows falling, 2 daily trackers, a weekly tracker, and then your foiled date covers. I really wish this would pick up the foiling on the string lights better, but I'm having to use this super bright light. I'm actually gonna cut that off and see if that helps. Okay, that helped. I actually normally do not keep that light on. So let me show you again, here we go. So you can see the snowflakes, and then for your bottom washi, you've got your string lights. Yeah, that's way, way better. Okay. So moving on to B6, we have got the same size boxes. We did make that change a few weeks back. So these are still the regular size boxes, and I don't know if I mentioned it on a video or not, but we are now selling a la carte full boxes for the kits. Those will be up on the website as well. Next sheet is your half boxes, quarter boxes, and flags. Next sheet, you've got your scalloped bow headers, you've got some bow checklist, your little things, daily tracker, weekly tracker, and then your 3-bow checklist over to the side. And then your last sheet for B6, I was able to keep the lights on the strips here as well as the bow strips, and then you've got your date covers and then your icons. And then we do have Micro. This has been like, we've sold so many Micro kits, it's been absolutely ridiculous. So I want to keep doing them, and I may do a little bit of a reformat to these. I think I mentioned that last time. Or the last video that I filmed. So I may go ahead and do that since it's something that we're probably gonna be keeping in the shop for a while. So you've got your falling snowflakes here, and then I kept the tree box. You've got your date covers down the side that are foiled. You've got your scalloped bow headers, your bow boxes here, some bow flags, and then a bunch of checklist. And then your second sheet, you've got your 3-bow checklist, your date numbers. That's probably what's gonna go on this reformat. You've got your icons, and then you've got some more boxes down at the bottom. So that is the micro kit, and all of that was Gold Christmas. So the next collection that I've got, I have renamed it to Stay In. This was originally called Cozy, but we've got a collection in the shop right now called Cozy. So we're gonna call this one Stayed In, but this was one of our best-selling winter kits last year. So I definitely wanted to bring it back. So this one has silver foil, as you guys can see, and it's got the same falling snowflakes. And I believe last year we actually started this one off with choose your own foil, but I think that was a miss. I think that ended up being crazy for our stock numbers. So for right now, we're just going to do silver. If you guys want to see it in any other colors, let me know down in the comments below, and I can do like a limited run of other colors. So there is your full box sheet, and then your next sheet has got your bottom washi. So you've got the quote on the bottom here that says let's stay in, and then you've got your snowflake, and then your bow washi, bow boxes, weekly tracker, and then your date numbers down at the bottom. So there are those two sheets together. And then this one is more winter, less Christmas, but still, I'm gonna just kind of do a mix, I think, for the next few weeks of both winter and Christmas. And I do have a ton of Christmas kits that are going to be coming out. More than likely, we're gonna do one really large release towards the end of September, and it will be part of a sale. So yeah, the next sheet, I'm just gonna kind of flip through. You've got your date numbers, your icons, your scripts. Next sheet is your half boxes, quarter boxes, and labels. Your next sheet has got your little things, your cut washi, and then your glitter headers. And then your next sheet has got your bow checklist, your flags, your daily trackers. And that's all for deluxe. And then for mini, let me see if I can get it out here. For mini, you've got the same full boxes. Next sheet has your icons, your bow checklist, date numbers. Next sheet is your half boxes, quarter boxes. Then you've got your scalloped bow headers, your various little things, your various headers, little things up top. Cut washi, and then same bottom washi as well as date covers for that. And then for B6, we've got your full boxes, and again, these full boxes will be available a la carte as well. My sheets are all mixed up. You've got your half boxes and your labels. Checklist, little things, cut washi, and then I was able to keep that same bottom washi for B6 as well. It's just a little bit smaller, but it's still, you can really tell what it is still. So that stayed the same. And then for the micro kit, we've got these two boxes here. Both of these do have the foiling. You've got your date covers, your scalloped bow headers, bow boxes, flags, checklist, and then you've got some date numbers, icons, and boxes down here on the bottom of this sheet. So yeah, if you guys are watching this video, then these are already up now. I hope you guys love them. I've got a plan with me coming up in probably on Sunday, and then another vlog going up on Monday. But yeah, so I hope you guys love them, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.